Hello, follow internet. I am Numan Islam. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a WordPress blog, news, or magazine website from scratch. This is a beautiful post slider. This beautiful website also have a very big mega menu. This include feature post, also thumbnail and title, ratings, and recent post also. You can see another category. There are also two featured posts and also recent post list here. This is really amazing. And this is a portfolio section. You can build your own portfolio. You can view the project. Go back home. This is trending. Social icon here. Search bar. Beautiful sidebar. Recent comments. Every category have unique colors. You can see. Recent review also display here. Our author. You can follow us social media. This is beautiful footer. Now I'm going to build this website with the help of WordPress. Go to InfinityFree.com. It will provide free domain and hosting. Accept. Disagree. Terms. If you are new, you can register. I have already account. I'm login here. If you are new, you can create account. Click here. You can choose a subdomain name. In my case, Numan. We can choose domain extension. In my case, this .casac.com. Check availability. This domain available. This is basically subdomain. Hit create account without touch anything. Hit finish button here at the top of the bottom. It will take couple of minutes. You can refresh this page. Refresh again and again. You can see our hosting are ready. Open up control panel. Scroll down. I approve. Click here. Scroll down. Softculous apps installer. Click here. We are going with WordPress. Click here. Hit install button here. Admin username can be anything. In my case, Numan. Admin password admin123. Scroll down. Hit install button at the top of the bottom. This may take up to 5 minutes. Hit administrative URL. Welcome to WordPress dashboard. First thing first, we are going to clean up our dashboard. Hit move to trust, apply. Pages. We are going to delete these pages also. First deactivated, apply. Again select, delete, apply. Inside appearance, we have the by default 3 different themes are displayed here. We are going to delete. Also delete this also. We have only 2023 theme. Now I am going back our hosting dashboard. This is our domain. FTP details, click here. Now open up FileZilla client. If you have no idea about FileZilla client, you can watch my playlist. Open up browser, copy FTP username, go back FileZilla. This is username, paste it here. This is password, click show here. copy, go back FileZilla, password, paste it here, and FTP host name, copy it, similarly paste it inside host, and the port FTP 21, hit quick connect. Why we are going with FTP protocol? Because we are using a the DB Extra theme. This is a WordPress theme developed by Elegant Themes. It's designed specially for creating magazine style websites, blogs, and content rich online publications. It will take a lot of big files, so it will not upload it from hosting provider. You need to upload it with FTP protocol. This is our remote site, that means hosting provider, and this is our local site, this means our computer. We're going to search our desktop. Here, desktop. This is extra theme. I have already unzipped it. You can download or purchase, or you can comment below. I will provide you via email. This is a premium theme. I will transfer inside htdocs under remote site. Hit this plus icon, WP content, hit this plus icon, themes, hit this plus icon. Here you can see 2023, only one theme installed because we are previously deleted those two themes. Okay, now I'm going to right click on my mouse, add files to queue. Click here, Ctrl A, select all, right click on your mouse, process queue, click here. It will take a couple of minutes to transfer files. You can see this is our extra folder. You can check notification, which files are transferred successfully and which are failed. After getting this pop-up, target file already exists. Going with override, it always use this action. Apply to current queue only. Okay. You can see successfully transfer theme files extra. Now close FileZilla. This is our dashboard. Now inside appearance, click here. You can see this extra theme also display here. This means FileZilla successfully transfer theme. Click here. This is version 4.20.4. Activate. Click here. Now our extra theme activated. This is our backend of our website. Open a new tab. This is our front end of our website. This is the front end of our website. Now I'm going to open our dashboard. Go to settings. Our site title, Numan iBlog. Tagline, a beautiful website. At the top of the bottom, save changes, click here. Now hit permalinks. Under setting, you can see permalinks. We are going with host name, permalink structure. Hit save changes button here. Now we are going to create a post.